Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, I will show you how to find materials on Pinterest. First, open the Pinterest app or website and log into your account. In the search bar at the top, type the material or topic you are looking for. Press search and browse through the results, including images, videos, or articles. Use filters like pins, boards, or profiles to refine your search. Save them. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.